everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Qgebeha, the Empire, from the 15th to the 19th of May 2023 on Monday. Ntando is determined to assert his newfound power over his siblings. Sivuyile threatened to expose the truth to Funeka on Tuesday. Ntando starts making big changes to the Mxenga household. Sivuyile is not happy about being kept as Msimelo's dirty secret on Wednesday. Ntando gets a rude awakening when he realizes snapping a big fish to impress his father is not easy. Msimelelo has a hard time controlling Sivuyile on Thursday. Ntando makes a deal with the devil. Sivuyile is touched by the word of affirmation Msimelelo uses on him for the first time on Friday. Ntando has reached a place of no return with the abalone shipping. Sivuyile demands to move into Msimelo's house. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.